Hi, DeDapper here with 3 fast hacks that'll make you a better meeting leader and presenter. These are things you can do in 5 minutes that will provide tangible results. It's not going to make you the next TED Talk star, but it will make you better fast. Number 1, 3 is magic. You'll notice that I and many others group things in threes. That's not an accident. There's a thing called the rule of threes, and you'll see it everywhere, especially in marketing. Go to the Apple website, for instance, and see how many headlines and subheads are grouped into threes. Nearly all of them. Other threes, red, white, and blue, the Holy Trinity, rock, paper, scissors, the 3 Musketeers, 3 Bears, 3 Stooges, 3 Dog Night, 3 Blind Mice, 3 Little Pigs, bronze, silver, gold, Charlie's Angels. I could literally go on for hours. 3 really is a magic number. Why? Well, it turns out the human brain is actually wired to respond to things in threes. And there are, predictably, 3 reasons for this. First, we've evolved to recognize patterns, and 3 is the smallest pattern. Second, threes create an imbalance. We have lots of pairs on us, things of 2. We've got eyes and ears and hands and feet. Threes, not so much, and they create a tension, and tension forces us to pay attention. And 3, there's a specific number of things that scientists say we can remember with absolutely no effort. 3 things. So what does this hack have to do with getting better at presenting? Simple. The next time you do a presentation or lead a meeting, do everything in threes. 3 action items, 3 parts, 3 points. You will quickly discover the power of 3. 2, strip your slide. The point here is to begin learning how to radically simplify the visuals you use. First, bring up one of your old decks and find a slide in it that is dense. Lots of text, lots of images, lots of pictures, whatever it is, something that's just a lot. Second, open up a blank document and write, without looking at it, what the slide's supposed to be about. 1 paragraph. Third, go back to the slide and remove everything on it except for 1 thing. Then add in 2 more things. Now you have 3. And these 3 very simple things should be able to tell your story. This is all you have to work with visually, so make sure it counts. And remember that when you're presenting, the slide is meant to support what you're saying, not mimic it and not replace it. You want the audience paying attention to you, not reading a slide behind you. So begin with 1 slide and start Marie Kondoing your decks. 3. Ask questions. This one may seem obvious, but the next time you're in a meeting, watch the leader. How often do they ask questions? Specifically ask questions that can be answered by people in the meeting. You may be surprised. Asking questions directly of an individual or of people in a group is a super powerful way of increasing engagement and encouraging learning. I think a lot of people don't do it because they're afraid of the answer or not getting an answer at all. They're afraid of silence, but silence is so powerful. It's a great way to move things along. So back to asking questions. Here's the hack. Next time you have a meeting, carve out space to ask questions and then write them ahead of time. Make sure they're on topic and that they're eliciting a response that's helpful to what you're trying to accomplish. Then in that meeting, ask your questions. And here's a trick. Don't respond. That's naturally what we want to do, but don't. Write it down, thank the person for the contribution, and move on to the next question. Try this, and I think you'll quickly find that asking questions becomes a powerful part of your presenter's or meeting toolkit.